Run around First Street, these hoes looking like they thirsty, but I don't think that that's the worst thing I heard this week, but it's only Thursday. I'm fucking around and I can't find the ground. Been high for 3.5 years. Oh, okay, more like 13, but who's really counting? You stupid motherfuckers, you wanna get it, sucker? Well, then I guess you just have to wait in line, motherfucker. Yeah, and you can suck a dick with that fucking bitch, and you can all just eat a bag of shit. And I'm not even joking, and I hope you're all fucking joking. Suck my butt, you fucking idiot. No, seriously, I hope, like, all of you kind of just get coagulated into one sort of building, like a giant clot, but instead of a heart attack, we just light the building on fire, and you all just sort of die. And I think that'd be pretty cool. What do you guys think? It doesn't matter, we're gonna do it anyway. Alright, so at least we got a plan now. We got a plan all laid out. We're gonna take you all, gonna, round you up and, burn you in a building? We're gonna burn you in a building.
Cars go honk honk, told you.
Why stay swerving? Eyes crossed, sleeping it dirty, baby. I can't help but drive drunk again. It's probably the reason that no one's around who wants to be friends with somebody that don't give a fuck how they feeling about themselves neither. I wish it was sweeter. I wish I could remember the taste when the needle is a vein and I beat it so far into my veins, and I feel the life drain away, away. Who needs another fucking day?
Okay. That's it.